everybody, welcome back to the channel. Guys, we got a little bit of freaking everything here today. But the coolest thing is my good buddy Chris got his 97 Cobra back. Let's check this thing out. Boys, our fourth giveaway is live right now, and you gotta act fast because it's only 10 days. That's right, 10 days. Guess what? Your ride needs some Holley EFI in its life, I guarantee you. Well, guess what? I've got you covered. Not only do you win your choice of the Holley Terminator X, or the X Max, or the X Stealth, but you get the Mac Daddy Holley Pro Dash 12.3 inches of epicness shipped to your door, ready to rock and roll. All you got to do is stop by thefoxcast.com/shop. Grab anything in the store. We got a ton of new merch drops, new colors, new products, all kinds of epicness. Grab anything in the store. Every $5 gets you one entry. You're automatically in, but you got to act fast. This is only 10 days, and when it's gone, it's gone. Do not miss out on this almost $5,000 worth of Holley EFI goodness. Don't miss out. Oh, Lord, I'm talking about. She is low. God. Because you're not going over a speed bump in that thing.
Very.
Slowly. Man, I'm telling you, see, we've had some bad SN95s on here, but we've never had this car on the channel.
Well, don't forget, I built it during COVID.
Yeah.
Sold it to get in my house.
Yeah.
And she's back home where she belongs.
She's staying, right?
Yes, it ain't going nowhere. It ain't going nowhere this time.
So it is 97, right?
Yes, 97.
All right. You guys know Chris, head tech at HPR Automotive. Hit them up if you need Coyote swap. But Chris built this car back in 2020. And it's got a lot of really cool touches. The Export SN95 tails, which you can't find.
You don't want to know how many people have been begging me to sell them already.
I can imagine. The S281 spoiler, which is money on these cars. And then you got the Export, which I didn't even know that was a thing. The S.
Yep, and so
those are Export.
Yep, those are both those and the taillights came from Saudi Arabia.
Freaking sick. But she's got the stance. I mean, this thing's sick. But the outside's not really the big deal, right?
Not really.
Not really?
Not really.
She got a few bolt-ons under the hood.
I mean,
headers.
It's just, I mean, it's slow. I mean, it's a It's a 95.
I guess we should check it out. Yeah, so you did what? Headers, cold air. Yeah.
Yeah. Change the manifold.
Yeah. It looks a little wider than. All right, yeah, it's Coyote swapped. Freaking awesome. Air, power steering, the whole 9 yards.
Yep, everything works. I mean, this was, you saw, this was built in the garage over, between pulling the 4-valve out, putting this in over 4 months.
Not too shabby, and still has the stock T45 in it. I'm still crazy. I still can't believe it's alive, but
I think it survived through me, through RJ,
2 owners, yeah,
through the gentleman I bought it back from,
yeah.
And they don't put. I sold the car that had 100, and this one thing, this body's got miles. When I sold it, had 163. Now the body's got a 170 on it.
That is crazy, and it's a Gen 1 truck.
Gen 1 truck, still got truck cams.
Crazy,
course, tuned by Wingard.
Yeah, long tubes, full exhaust. I mean, UPR, all front, chrome Holley, suspension.
Yep.
I guess we need to get this thing out real quick. I mean, I've never had a ride.
You never had?
No.
Get in.
Dude, let's go. Yeah, man. Swapped Oh, I forgot. You did the interior too. Man.
Only thing lacking?
Steering wheel?
Yep. That'll be handled soon.
Heck yeah, dude. I see a 97, so it's still got the dash clock, got the 2 holes, no cup holders.
Nope. No ashtray either.
No ashtray. Hell yeah, I got the N-gauge rocking.
Yep.
And that is air blowing. That's epic. Hell yeah, let's run this bitch up the road real quick.
I mean, well, don't drive like a stock car.
I mean, power-wise it doesn't, but as far as drivability.
Oh yeah, I mean, I'm gonna end up getting Daryl to retune it where I can run it on E.
Yeah.
It's, like I said, T45 does great. 410s in the back. The ride is rough, but
she's low. I mean, it's in the dirt for sure.
Yeah.
Not too shabby.
Not for old truck motor.
No.
Not for old truck motor.
And as low as we are, I was expecting my head to hit the ceiling that time. But hell yeah, dude, I love it.
Oh yeah, it does. She does really good. I mean, like I said, I'm gonna end up changing suspension. I get something a little tamer, I guess, than this.
Yeah. This thing is epic. Freaking epic. So lots coming for this one.
At a minimum right now, T56, it needs extra gear.
Yeah.
And the truck motor eventually will get pulled. We got enough spare parts at the shop. I'm probably gonna build a 321 for it, put it on E and just basically 500 NA, 500 horsepower NA.
Yep.
It'll be, dude, perfect.
That's it.
It'll be balanced. It won't be crazy.
I love it. So meanwhile, back at the shop, we've got a K Designs rear seat delete, and fun fact, there's another one coming for my car, but if you guys have not checked out K Designs, very, very nice. Like I said, I've got one on the way for my car.
Brand new car, huh?
Dude, that looks amazing. Yeah, guys, check out K Designs. Very, very nice. Yes. So the pace car has full Dynomat or Rockville or whatever that stuff's called. You know what it is. It's coming along very nicely. And we're actually, a lot of the wiring's already begun, but once Alex is pretty much wrapped up, we're gonna get it in the other shop, run the fuel system, and this bad boy is gonna be coming along pretty quick. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome. Yeah, full 4 fuel system. I'll show you the rear end in a second. It's already built over at the other shop, but lots of progress on the pace car. All right, boys, gotta give you a quick update on Alex's car. We had a lot of issues, and I mean a lot, with the A-arms, but it's back on the ground. Let me show you what we got rolling. So we had an issue up front. The A-arms, I guess they sent the wrong part number, the Maximum Motorsports, but they were the forward offset, so the wheels were way too far up in the fender well. Yes, we're trying to fill the power steering pump, and it pissed fluid everywhere. So we had to order a set of QA1s to get the neutral offset on the A-arms, but once we did that, they were an inch too long and stuck out. So we finally, after 3 different sets of control arms, got the wheels back where they need to be. Like I said, we're filling up the electric power steering, and it decided to piss fluid everywhere. Not fun. So like I said, boys, the rear end for the pace car is here. It's getting the full Willwood brake kit, new diff, gears, all of that, spherical bushings. Gonna be freaking epic. So there's his front spindles, front calipers, all that good stuff. But yeah, rear end for the pace car is looking legit, and we put the final touches on Alex's interior, get it tuned. This thing's ready to rock. All right, boys, that is pretty much the what for what's going on right now at the shop, among a million other things. Just wanted to catch you up and, of course, show you Chris's car, which is obviously badass. Can't wait to see his progress on there. Go check out his YouTube channel. He uploads from time to time, does some cool stuff as well. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll catch you on the next one.